would chase after me, and every heartache there it would be.
Pagod na. 2 weeks na kami nag-prepare. Excited na po ako.
How it loves me. I found a love that will love honestly, and never.
Dati kasi hindi Christian ako, pero hindi ko alam kumbaga hindi pa ako, walang maturity. Pero nung nakilala ko siya, alam mo yun, siya yung naging daan para mag-matured ako sa faith ko. And yun, thankful ako kasi isa siya sa naging way para maging ganun ako.
You're all that I need. I fall into your arms and
Ano ba kayong mga minion? Mga minion.
to the heart that beats for me.
Sure ka na?
Yung diri tatanong ka na. Yeah,
Nung maganda.
Hindi ko alam kung totoo yun, pero simula kaya umaga, masakit na yung tiyan ko eh. Hindi ko alam. Pero, nga, excited din na may iba na yung magiging buhay ko sa susunod, alam mo yun, sa susunod na araw.
Wala nga akong masasabi. Talagang ganun ang buhay. Maalan lang.
Respect to each other.
Same kami ng church, and then napaklose ako sa group of friends niya sa church. So 7 months, parang talagang kinakapa ko kung sino yung kasama ko kasi ang hirap from friends. Tapos naging boyfriend, girlfriends. Pero kala ko magiging worse kapag dito kami sa Pilipinas. But parang yung best niya talagang lumabas nung nandito kami sa Pilipinas. So yan, na-appreciate ko lahat.
Thank you, Mama, kasi kahit naging mahirap ang buhay natin, hindi mo pa rin kami pinabayaan. Lagi ka pa rin nandyan. And kay Papa rin thank you. Kasi lagi rin siya nandyan at laging nakasuporta.
Finally, you found the one who will take care of you aside from me.
Wow!
Alam mo yun, syempre, papakasalan mo na yung taong mahal mo. Kaya kinilig ako talagang. Nung nakita ko siya sa'yo, maganda kasi. And ikakasal na ako sa kanya. So,
Thank you for supporting this big decision.
Yes.
I love you.
Thank you. Love you, anak.
prize for you.
Ate! Love na love na ate. Sa aking bagong ate. Sa aking best friend sa New Zealand. Sa aking best friend sa Philippines. At sa aking favorite cousin. Yeah! Naiyak ako. Feeling ko mamaya maiiyak ulit ako. Actually, 7 months lang kami. Pero parang almost 2 years na kami magkakilala. So, nung mainulit ng dinner.
There's torn up pages in these books, words that tell me
First of all, I thank God for bringing us to this wonderful day.
I want to promise to you that I will put God first in everything, so we can have a best life.
Love is seeing the worst side of someone, but you still love them, darling. I hate making promises because I am not good at keeping some of them. But with all the strength that God will give me, I am giving you my word that I'll be patient with you. I'll be patient enough kapag nabubugnot ka at halos gusto mo na agawin ang manibela kapag ako ang nagdadrive.
Sorry kasi minsan talagang mabilis akong magalit, mabilis akong mainis, and minsan hindi talaga siya rason.
So if the storm you're walking through feels like it's too much and you wonder if he even cares at all,
I'll be patient enough kapag nagkukulang ka, and I'll be patient enough to stay with you through the toughest times. I pray that when you can find enough reason to stay, you always go back to this precious day.
And again, I take you to be my wedded wife.
Take it to be my
Wedded wife.
wedded wife
In accordance with God's holy will.
in accordance of God's holy will.
To have and to hold
To have and to hold
from this day forward.
from this day forward.
Darling.
Darling. Okay. Sige, sabi mo darling. O, ganun ha.
Darling.
I take you to be my wedded husband.
Take you to be my wedded husband
In accordance with God's holy will.
in accordance with God's holy will.
And I want to promise you that I will pray harder so my life will align to God's will. With God, I can be a good husband and a good father to mother and to our future children. I love you. I love you so much.
God is in this story. God is in the details. Even in the broken parts, He holds my heart. He never fails. When I'm at my weakest, I will trust in Jesus.
Excited talaga ako na makita yun. Na lalakad siya, papalapit sa akin. Excited ako sa magiging kalalabasan, sa magiging buhay namin. So, excited ako sa lahat. So, pagdating sa kanya.
Maraming salamat sa pagtanggap kung sino man ako at sa kung ano pa ang mapasanin na dinadala ko. Joshua, mula noon hanggang ngayon at sa mga susunod pa na mga araw na ipagkakaloob mo sa atin, ikaw at ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin ko. Mahal na mahal kita.
Thank you.
Thank you.